Hello, I'm Dr. Parks, and today we're answering a question from James. James writes that he has arthritis, and he wants to know what's causing it and if there are any natural things he can do to help with it. Well, James, I have an answer for you, and I'll be right back. When it comes to chronic pain and degeneration, specifically things like arthritis, we are looking at a situation where there is inflammation in the area, specifically in this case, inflammation in the joint, and that inflammation actually destroys the joint. Now, that chronic arthritis can be caused from a few different things. It can be an autoimmune arthritis that causes the destruction of the joint, and that's when your body is actually going in and like destroying the joint itself. That is a less common form of arthritis. The more common one comes from wear and tear and other things that cause inflammation. So whenever I have somebody in my practice that has arthritis and has this kind of chronic pain that they're dealing with, my number one thing is to really try to lower the inflammation naturally, mostly through doing an anti-inflammatory diet and using a lot of different herbs or vitamins that can support lowering inflammation in the whole body. Because if the inflammation is settling in the joints and causing problems, it means that there's also inflammation in the rest of the body. So we can't just ignore the body and just try to work on the arthritis pain by itself. One of the problems is when people have something like arthritis, they often get prescribed or they even do over-the-counter pain medication. The pain medication may block some of the pain signals and help them to feel more comfortable, but that degeneration is going on, and so over time the joints actually get a lot worse. Now when arthritis affects major joints, really big joints, it can really cause problems with just mobility and movement, and even walking sometimes can be difficult depending on where the joint is affected. So it's really, really important to remember that you don't just treat the pain. The pain is just a symptom. You really have to go after the real cause, and the culprit in this case is just chronic inflammation. I have prepared a document that's really going to outline some ways for you to really try naturally to prevent and deal with arthritis where it already exists. If you're interested in getting this, you can go to drparks.com/arthritis and download it today. Remember, when you have health questions, ask Dr. Parks.